Have you ever wondered why your smartphone can do so much and still fit in your pocket? Why can these devices run all day on a single battery charge? Or how has the nature of computing changed so drastically in the last few decades? When you hear ARM, Advanced RISC Machine, you might think of a robot's arm. Perhaps that's really good at arm wrestling because it's advanced. Well, I'm Karel, and I'll be your CTO for this video, guiding you through what ARM actually is, and no, it's not about robotic limbs. Imagine the transition from winter to spring. Winter, with its cold and longer nights, gradually makes way for spring, a season of renewal, where everything becomes more efficient and vibrant. In the tech world, ARM is like spring arriving after a long winter of traditional computing architectures. Initially, you might think ARM is just another set of instructions for processors, a mere tweak in the grand scheme. It's so much more. ARM is the blueprint for creating processors that are like the first day of spring, refreshingly efficient, surprisingly powerful, and yet conservatively sipping on the battery's nectar. Unlike its predecessors that are like winter storms, consuming vast amounts of power and requiring heavy thermal clothing to keep them from overheating, ARM brings about a change. It focuses on doing more with less, optimizing every bit of energy for performance, mirroring nature's efficiency as it awakens in spring. When do we see ARM in actions, you ask? Think of ARM like the spring season. Not just a time for cleaning, but for efficient growth and renewal. In the tech world, ARM is everywhere you find the need for smart, efficient computing without the fanfare of cooling fans and power-hungry performances. It's in your smartphones, making them smart enough to navigate your day without dying at noon. It's in wearable tech, whispering notifications to your wrist without needing nightly charges. And in the realm of Internet of Things, IoT devices, ARM is the unseen force, allowing gadgets to perform their tasks while consuming power as if sipping from a straw, not gulping from a fire hose. Why choose ARM over the technological equivalent of hibernating through winter with heavy-duty processors? Because in this fast-paced world, efficiency, longevity, and adaptability are king. ARM is like choosing to wear layers in spring. You adjust to the environment with minimal effort, staying comfortable without overburdening yourself. It's about making the most of the resources you have, ensuring your tech can keep up with your life without tethering you to the nearest power outlet. In simple terms, ARM makes your gadgets smart and efficient, using less power for more action. Or, if you like things complicated, ARM represents a family of RISC-based computer architectures for processors that enable efficient processing and power management in embedded systems and mobile devices. If you're intrigued by the blend of history and technology, or just want to see more quirky takes on complex topics, check out our videos. On your left, the top one's 10 pictures for you, and the bottom one is the latest from our channel. Both promise adventures in programming, minus the usual jargon.